Hello, my name is Joshua Bauer. I work here at Walser Nissan in Coon Rapids, and I am here to bring you a few details today on the Nissan Rogue Intelligent Mobility. So the first thing with Nissan Intelligent Mobility is the Pro Pilot Assist. What that is the electronic steering that helps you on long car rides when you turn on your cruise control. It'll actually keep you in the lanes and make sure you're not dozing off, those kind of things on those long car rides. So on the front of the vehicle, you do have your automatic braking as well as your high beam assist. You go to around the vehicle, then you do have your around view monitor. So that gives you the bird's eye view, those kind of things. So that way when you're backing up, you do have a big broad picture of everything that you're looking for. So I just talked about the things that come with the front of the car, the sides of the car. You do have your blind spot monitor as well as your intelligent lane intervention. What the intervention does is if you're trying to turn into the other lane, it'll actually beep at you and vibrate to let you know not to do so. So we just got done talking about the front and the sides of the vehicle. Now we do have a few safety things on the back. If you just follow me back around here, what the back brings you is that you do have rear automatic braking as well as rear cross traffic alert. So if you're pulling out from a parking spot, the cars around you, it will pick that up. And you will make sure you don't get into an accident that way. So to go along with the rear cross traffic alert and pick up vehicles, it also does have pedestrian detection, so that way if any bicyclists or people are walking behind you or biking, it will pick that up and emergency brake as well. A couple things found inside of the vehicle are the hill start assist as well as the traffic sign recognition to let you know how fast and how slow you need to be going on the roads. A couple more things are active ride control. What that does is it helps you against like speed bumps and those kind of things, potholes. It makes the vehicle just ride a lot smoother on the ground. As well as the intelligent trace control, that helps it so when you're going around corners and things like that at certain speeds, it will actually kind of slightly brake for you, so that way you're not going to tip your car over. So we just showed you some of the driving parts of it. Let's show you some of the integration. So on the inside, some of the integration we have is Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto, Nissan door-to-door connect services, as well as over-the-air map updates, so that way you don't have to bring the vehicle directly to the manufacturer to get it updated. So you do have the app as well, which is Nissan Connect Services on your phone. You can remote start as well as unlock and lock your car, check on your car, where it is located, those kind of things as well. Thank you for watching our video. Once again, my name is Joshua Bauer. I work here at Walser Nissan in Coon Rapids. If you do need any more information, feel free to call us or go to our website, walsernissancoonrapids.com. We look forward to seeing you. Thank you.